Hi friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to draw a cute dog. This drawing is so fun. So, I will teach you how to draw step by step how to draw this drawing. Whoa! Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch my other videos. So, let's draw. This drawing is so cute. Okay friends, let's draw a dog. You can draw this line. This is a nose of the dog. Draw this. Next, you draw like this and like this. Okay, good job friend. Next, you draw this line and draw the mouth. Whoa, so cute. Draw this point, right side. Draw this point and left side. Next, you draw the eyes, like this. Next, you draw like this. Whoa. Left side and right side like this. Good job friend. Next, go ahead. You draw like this. And you draw the big ear. Whoa. Right side and left side. Next, you draw this line and this. Whoa. Draw this and this and draw this. Okay, next you draw like this and like this. Whoa, good job friend. Now you can color inside the big ear. So drawing. You can draw like this. Whoa, so nice. You can draw the eyebrow and you can draw his dog like this. Whoa, so nice. This is so fun. You can draw a star. Whoa. Circles. Like this. And you can color inside. You can draw this point. Whoa, so nice. Friends, if you post your drawing on Instagram, don't forget to tag me and follow me there. My Instagram is Renan Draws. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye.